Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Shopify payouts with Stripe or PayPal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Click on Settings located at the bottom left of the admin panel. Select Payments from the Settings menu. Here, you will see the payment providers you have enabled. Determine if you are using Stripe or PayPal as your payout method. For Stripe, click on the Manage button next to Stripe. You will be directed to your Stripe dashboard. Log in using your Stripe credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Balance tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can view your recent payouts. To verify a payout, click on the specific payout date. This will show you the transaction details and total amount. Take note of any fees charged by Stripe for the payout. Next, return to your Shopify admin panel. Check the Orders section to ensure all sales are accounted for. For PayPal, return to your Shopify Payments settings. Click on the Manage button next to PayPal. You will be redirected to your PayPal account. Log in with your PayPal credentials. Go to the Activity tab to view all recent transactions. Locate the transactions matching your Shopify orders. Confirm that the amounts received match your sales figures. Check for any unresolved disputes or chargebacks in your account. Compare the transaction dates with your Shopify sales dates. To finalize your verification, review any fees deducted by PayPal. Ensure your records are consistent for both Stripe and PayPal. Once verified, you can proceed with confidence in your payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.